Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus 8 and its whole square equals to 64, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So now in this problem we will solve this equation for two methods, and I hope so you like both of these methods, and please write in comment section which method you like, and also please if you have any other method in your mind, please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So now here we move forward to solve this problem for method number 1. So in first method, here we can apply this algebraic formula. You know that if you have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So in order to apply this formula, we need to move the 64 in the left hand side, and it will be written as x plus 8 whole square minus 64 equals to 0. And now here we need to focus on the 64. So we can rewrite this 64 as 8 square, and it is equals to 0. Okay, we know that 8 square becomes here 64. And now in the next step we need to apply here this nice formula. So according to this formula, you see here we have the value of a is x plus 8 and the value of b is 8 only. So we need to put the values of a and b in the right hand side of this formula. So when you apply this formula here, it will be written as, first you have the factor is a minus b. The value of a is x plus 8 minus the value of b is 8 into, again the value of a is x plus 8 and the value of b is 8, and this whole equation equals to 0. Now you see here this minus 8 and plus 8 are cancelled out by each other, and here we get x only into, here you have x plus 8 plus 8 becomes 16, and this whole equation equals to 0. Here we can apply the zero product rule. This rule means that if you have a multiplied by b equals to 0, so this implies that either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. So here we need to apply this rule to the above equation. Okay, so according to this rule, here we have either x is equals to 0 or we have x plus 16 equals to 0. So here you get easily the first root of the given equation is x equals to 0, or the second root is we move the 16 to the right hand side and we get x is equals to minus 16. So this is the second root of the given equation. So these are the two roots of the given equation which we get here from first method. And now here we move forward again to solve this question for second method. And now for second method we need to copy down given question statement here. So given question statement is x plus 8 whole square equals to 64. And now in this method we can apply this algebraic formula. You know that if we have a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. If you see here, our a is x and our b is 8, and now we can apply this algebraic formula in the left hand side of the above equation. So that our above equation is written as, after applying this formula, this is x square plus 2 times of ab. So here our a is x and b is 8 plus b square, b is 8 square equals to 64. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x square plus this is 2 times of 8 becomes 16x plus this 8 square equals to 64, and this whole equation also equals to 64. So here, because we solve this problem for the values of x, So we move the 64 in the left hand side. It will be written as x square plus 16x plus 64 minus 64 equals to 0. So this positive term and negative term are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here x square plus 16x equals to 0. So now you see here this equation will becomes quadratic in x variable. So here we easily make the factors of this equation, and now if you focus on here, you see that x be the common term which lies on both of these terms. So here we will take common x, and when you take common x, we get the remaining values are. So this x square means that here we have two x's. So when you take common 1x, we get 1x here, and plus when you take common this x, we get here plus 16 equals to 0. And now in the next step, we need to break this equation, and here we write our x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x plus 16 equals to 0. Here I can write in first method the rule in which you can break these two values equals to 0. Okay, so here you have, this is the first real solution of the given equation, and if you focus on here, we move this plus 16 to the right hand side. So here you again get the value, the other value of x is equals to minus 16. This is the second value of x. So here you see that from both of these methods we will get the same values of x. So this is the final answer of this question. And now here in the last step, we need to verify these two values of x. So here, in order to verify these two values, we will just check that is these values of x are satisfied the given question statement or not. Now for this, we first copy down given question statement. Here it is x plus 8 whole square equals to 64, and now we can put x equals to 0 here, and we can put the second root, that is x equals to minus 16 here. Okay, we will just verify these two solutions one by one. So here first we need to substitute x equals to 0 here, so it will be written as 0 plus 8 whole square equals to 64, and 0 plus 8 becomes 8 square equals to 64, and 8 square becomes 64 equals to 64. This shows that the value of x equals to 0 satisfied our given equation. And now from here we put the value of x equal to minus 16 here. So it will be written as minus 16 plus 8 whole square equals to 64. Minus 16 plus 8 becomes 8 square equals to 64, and this 8 square is 64 equals to 64. So this shows that the second value of x is also satisfied the given question statement. This shows that both of the above equations satisfy the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.